Hello everyone, it's me, Teacher Bert. For today's video, I will guide you the step-by-step hiring process of EKid English. But before that, now let's start.
EKid English is a Vietnamese ESL company. The students are Vietnamese kids ages from 4 to 15 years old. The rate starts from $3 to $4 per 50 minutes plus incentives. The class duration is 25 minutes. This is a booking system class. The lesson materials are provided. They also have their own platform. They called it EKid English Classroom. The teaching schedule is from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Philippines time from Monday to Sunday. Their peak hours are from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. from Monday to Saturday and from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. on Sunday. They required from 7.5 hours to 15 hours of peak time per week. Now, let's proceed to qualifications and requirements. The teacher has the following: with teaching experience, with teaching certificate, TESOL, TEYL or others, introduction video, at least 1 minute. School diploma, valid passport, any Philippine savings bank account. Most of you are wondering why they need a valid passport. They need it because they need to pay the teacher's service fee. The Vietnamese banks only accept a valid passport as identification, not individual countries' identification cards. Next is the salary. The salary is once a month and it directs to your saving bank account. But you need to reach at least $100 so that they can process the payment. If your service fee is less than $100 when payday arrives, the payment will automatically roll over into the next payment period until your total balance is equal to or more than $100, at which point teacher's balance will be transferred. But, nothing to worry about this because EKid English always makes sure that their teachers reach $100 or more. Just follow the required peak hours slots and they give you many classes. Now, let's talk about the hiring process steps. Step 1 is filling out the registration or application form. Just click the link in the description box of this video. You can also watch my video tutorial on how to fill out the registration form. Please note that after you fill out the registration form you need to wait for 2 to 3 days. Once you qualified, you will be notified through email about the interview schedule. Step 2 is interview. During the interviewer will ask some basic interview questions like, tell me about yourself, your teaching availability, how you handle students, and they will inform you some information about the company. Once you pass the interview, you will receive another email. Step 3 is technical check. They will check your computer specs, camera, internet, headset, and background. The CPU is up to Intel Core i3 at 3.10 GHz or above. The RAM is up to 4 GB. The hardware pass mark CPU benchmark score is 4000 and over. Once you pass the interview, you will receive another email. Step 4 is the EKid English platform training. During the training, they will teach you how to navigate the EKid English classroom. The trainer will check if you can easily navigate the EKid English classroom. You can also watch my video tutorial, how to control Paco. Just check and click the link in the description box of this video. Once you pass the interview, the trainer will ask you about your availability for your demo. Step 5 is the initial demo. During the initial demo, you will be evaluated on how well you utilize their technology on the platform and your teaching ability to handle low-level classes. Here are some tips. Use gestures. Total physical response. Clear, simple instructions. Correct the students in a nice way, and ask the student to answer in a complete sentence. And also, don't forget to follow the teacher's script on EKid English Classroom. Once you pass the initial demo, the trainer will send you an email for your next demo. Step 6 is final demo. During the final demo, you will be evaluated again on how well you utilize their technology on the platform and your teaching ability to handle high-level classes. Tips: use gestures, total physical response, clear, simple instructions, correct the students in a nice way and ask the student to answer in a complete sentence. And also, don't forget to follow the teacher's script on EKid English Classroom. Once you pass the final demo, the trainer will send you a welcome letter email and the trainer will endorse you for the next step. Step 7 is onboarding and signing the contract. During this step, the manager tells you about the company's do's and don'ts. He or she will inform your base rate per class. He or she will teach you how to open your teaching schedule, available time slots. And you can ask many questions to your manager if you have some clarifications. Then after that, you will proceed to step 8, which is start teaching. Congratulations! And that's all. I hope this video can help and guide you on your upcoming EKid English application. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your questions and suggestions.